This video will explain the functionality of the global settings icon. By selecting it, we have a number of options. Language. To change the language where the translation file is included, we can select the flag of the country. Only when we accept that and come back, you'll see the language option has changed. You can go back to English, select accept, come back in, we're back into English. The results file has a default file location on the PC where all results will be by default saved. This can be overridden by deselecting the default and browsing and putting any location either on the PC or the network where you would like the results to be saved. For this demonstration, we will use default location. The BPON program enables the PC to indicate by a noise when a measurement has been started. Sometimes there may be noise where you want to make sure that you have made a measurement. This is confirmation from the PC as a beep. That can be enabled or disabled. This option is for future reference only if we ever have dual auto-collimation. The last option is the user mode. The standard user will have limited access to run the program without making any program alterations if a program has been written, and without the ability to create programs. The administrator user, if we select, a new icon appears, which is error separation for polygons, which are included in a separate video. But also you'll have access to write programs, edit programs, and make various changes which the standard user cannot do. The third level is the service level. This requires a password, but it is only for Taylor-Hobson use for calibration of the system, including the correction factors in the rotary stage.